Fix Your Credit Fast Platforms app. The pros, the cons. The Fix Your Credit Fast Platforms app is designed to help users identify issues, take corrective steps, and boost their credit scores efficiently. Most people get this wrong by expecting overnight results, but here's the surprising truth: meaningful improvements usually take consistent, informed actions. A major pro is its guided dispute process. The app identifies inaccuracies on your credit report, like late payments or duplicate accounts, and walks you through submitting disputes to credit bureaus. For example, removing a wrongly reported late payment can increase your score by 20 to 50 points within a month. You won't believe how many people miss these errors without a structured system. Another advantage is actionable tips for ongoing credit management. The app suggests strategies like paying down high balances, keeping old accounts open to lengthen credit history, and avoiding new inquiries until scores improve. Many platforms also provide simulations, showing how small changes can impact your score over time. The cons include subscription costs for premium features, such as unlimited dispute support or personalized coaching. Additionally, the app cannot erase accurate negative information, such as legitimate bankruptcies or foreclosures. Time and responsible credit behavior are still required. In conclusion, the Fix Your Credit Fast Platforms app is a valuable resource for anyone serious about improving their credit. By offering structured dispute processes, actionable tips, and progress tracking, it helps users take control of their credit journey. While it's not an instant solution, consistent use can result in measurable improvements, unlocking better loan rates, credit cards, and financial opportunities.